Hello students, this is a vocabulary test based on the odd one out. That means certain words are given in a question. There is one word that does not match in meaning. So we need to pick that word as the most appropriate answer. You get these kind of questions in your asset and other competency language tests where you are asked to pick the most appropriate meaning. All the words might be grouped under one category, only one might be left out. Let me do one with you and teach you so that you may progress with the remaining 20 questions. At the end of the video, answers and explanations are also the question vocabulary practice test is actually choose the word that is most different in meaning. That means the odd one out. The first question, the options are there are four options A, B, C, and D. Now, meager, meager means less. Bare, bare means hardly any. Scanty, scanty means very little. Obtuse, obtuse means low in understanding. Now, we can see that first three words, meager, bare, and scanty, it means less or reduced. That idea is given. But obtuse is completely out of place over here. So my answer is obtuse. I will circle this word, or in my notebook, I will write option D. One, the answer is option B. Fine. So now we will proceed in this particular manner. For every question, I'm going to give you 10 seconds of working time while the video is in progress, and then we will progress to the answers and explanations. Let us begin with a test, but from question number 2, as question number 1 was already explained to you. Question number 2 is option A, memento. Option B, gift. Option C, keepsake. Option D, memorial. Question number 3. Option A is necessary. Option B is optional. Option C, required. Option D is essential. I repeat question 3. Option A is necessary. Option B is optional. Option C is required. Option D is essential. Let us proceed to question number 4. Option A is negotiate. Option B is bargain. Option C is haggle. Option D is scheme. Proceeding to the next question, question number 5. Option A is expert. Option B is novice. Option C is learner. Option D is beginner. Proceeding further, question number 6. Option A is narrate. Option B is relate. Option C is obfuscate. Option D is tell. Question number 7. Options are option A, negligible. Option B, overriding. Option C, unimportant. Option D, insignificant. Question number 8. Options are option A, obstinate. Option B, irreconcilable. Irreconcilable. C, ornery. D, stubborn. Question number 9. Options are A. Omen, B. Premonition, option C. Unexpected, option D. Foreboding. Question 10. Options are opulence, option B. Abundance, option C. Wealth, and option D. Hold. Question number 11, option A, speculation, option B, authorization, option C, conjecture, option D, assumption. Question number 12, option A, hovel, option B, sanctuary, option C, heaven, option D, retreat. Select the odd one out. Question number 13, option A, vulnerable, option B, unscrupulous, option C, corrupt, option D, deceitful. Question number 14, option A, verbose, option B, laconic, option C, loquacious, option D, garrulous. Question number 15, option A, propensity, option B, susceptibility, option C, prosil- proclivity, option D, repugnance. If the words are difficult, students are advised to pause the video and look up for the meaning so that you can narrow down your answer. Question number 16, option A, clemency, option B, magnanimity, option C, relentlessness, option D, forbearance. Question number 17, option A, condense, option B, encapsulate, option C, abridge, option D, distend. Question number 18, option A, hamper, option B, impede, option C, inhibit, option D, reinforce. Question number 19, option A, inculcate, option B, unflinching, option C, dauntless, option D, intrepid. Question 20, option A, ostentatious, option B, surreptitious, option C, clandestine, option D, furtive. If you do not know the meanings of these words, it is advisable to pause the video, look up for the synonyms, understand the meaning of each word so that you can narrow down your answer to to the odd one out. Now let us look at the answers and self-evaluate. Option 1, D. Question 1, D is the right option. All choices refer to a lack of scarcity except obtuse, which means annoyingly insensitive or slow to understand. This was worked out in the beginning of the test. From question B onwards, we have begun attempting, so let us self evaluate. Question 2, B is the right option. All choices are synonyms for gift except memorial, which is in memory. Question number 3, option is B. All choices are synonyms of necessary except B, that means optional. Question number 4, D is the right option. All choices are synonyms of negotiate except D, which means scheme. Question number 5, option A is the right option. All choices are synonymous of or synonyms of novice except expert. Novice means a beginner. Question 6, option C is the right option. All choices are synonyms of narrate except obfuscate. Question number 7, option B is the right answer. All choices are synonyms of negligible except insignificant. Question number 8, option B is the right answer. All choices are synonyms of obstinate except ordinary. Question number 9, option C is the right answer. All choices are synonyms of omen except unexpected. Question 10, option D is the right answer. All choices are synonyms of opulence except hold. Question number 11, question number 11, the options are 11B is the right answer. All choices refer to an opinion that is not based on solid facts except for authorization, which indicates the act of giving permission to someone. Question number 12, option A is the right answer. All choices refer to a quiet and peaceful place, while oval indicates a small, plain, or untidy house. Question 13, A is the right answer. All choices describe a person who lacks moral values except for vulnerable, which indicates a person who enjoys the respect of others. Question number 14, option B is the right answer. All choices refer to a person who talks excessively except for I laconic, which means describes person or someone who expresses what they mean, giving very few words. So for 14, option B is the right answer. Question number 15, option D is the right answer. All choices refer to a tendency towards something except for repugnance, which indicates a strong dislike for something. Question number 16, option C is the right answer. All choices refer to the quality of being lenient and forgiving except for relentlessness, which indicates inflexibility and persistence. Question number 17, option D is the right answer. All choices refer to reducing something in size or expressing something in fewer words. To distend means to make an object expand, usually by applying pressure. Question number 18, all choices refer to the act of blocking or preventing something except for reinforce, which means to make something stronger. Question 19, option A is the right answer. All choices describe a person who is brave and afraid, except for ineluctable, which refers to something that is unavoidable. Question 20, option A is the right answer. Question 20, option A is the right answer. All choices refer to something that must be kept secret, except for ostentatious, which describes something fancy meant to draw attention. By the end of this vocabulary, students, you must have got an idea that in order to score an outstanding on asset results, it is advisable to work on vocabulary which is one level higher than your class level. That means if you are in grade 5, you should know the vocabulary of grade 6 and 7. If you are in grade 6, you should know the vocabulary of grade 7 and 8, and so on and so forth. If you have found the vocabulary and the options in this particular vocabulary list tough, then there's a lot for you to work on. You may work on a mind map for vocabulary where you can write the given word with and circle around the given word in the center of the page, draw spokes around it, write synonyms for it and antonyms for it, write the part of speech, whether it's a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc., and then use them in sentences. Use these words in your daily vocabulary, in your speaking and writing, so that it becomes a part of your active vocabulary and your language develops. That means your lexile or the ability to read complex language develops. Add this video to your liked videos. Click on like so that you can revisit this video 1 week or a fortnight later and take a test to see whether you have improved on this vocabulary list or not. And those students who are new to my channel are advised to subscribe and hit like so that you get the notification of the next video, and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of my next video when I upload. Thank you very much for your kind attention.